Hello, my name is Frank Rositas. This is FTT 122 Week 3 assignment. Today's date is March 30th, 2025. Our first part of our assignment is to explain explosives and propellants. Well, explosives are rapid reactions of gases that ends violently with no control or direction. So it's just an explosive amount of force being let loose at one given time. A propellant is a slow controlled reaction. It's designed to propel an object across greater distances. So it's slower burning, builds up more power, and pushes that projectile with the force, with the force generated. The second part is, in my opinion, should the firearms industry find ways to move away from the current propellants? If so, what could be used instead of the current propellant source? At this time, I don't believe we should move away from our current propellant source. I believe that finding ways to improve our current propellant sources would be the best thing to do. Finding ways to maybe use less, but still get that same amount of power, if not more, generated out of the same amount. Able to propel heavier objects, greater distances, with less would be something that we can look into, more feasible than having to go out and try to create all these other new types of propellants, which I know they're doing right now, but I haven't seen anything that would really show that it's going to completely take over the market. So in my opinion, no, I don't believe there's anything that should be done as far as replacing the current propellants. Next section here is showing you the drawings of a battery cup primer, a boxer primer, and a Berdan primer. The first one is a battery cup primer. The battery cup primer consists of a battery cup, which is all the way around, which encloses the primer cup itself, which is in here in blue, which holds the priming compound. The red here is the anvil that strikes the priming compound, igniting the compound and pushing it through the flash hole to ignite the propellant. That right there is a battery cup. The battery cup is used primarily here in the United States, as well as the boxer primer used here in the United States primarily. The boxer primer, same thing, one flash hole. The mixture compound down here is held apart or separate from the anvil by a paper foil, and the anvil here. Now, once this is hit with the pin or hammer, it pushes against the anvil, igniting the mixture and then pushing out through the flash hole, which is usually a single flash hole, and igniting the propellant and then pushing off the projectile. The Berdan primer, primarily used in the European countries and Asian countries, actually, everywhere else but the United States, consists of two flash holes. I did see one story that said that there was a third flash hole, or they sometimes have three flash holes. I'm not sure about that because I couldn't find anything else to verify that, but I know it does have minimum two flash holes. It has the cup, and then of course another paper foil, and then the mixture compound. Once this is ignited, it ignites the mixture, and this anvil style in here, which I didn't really draw that in there too well, will ignite, and the mixture will come out both holes, igniting the propellant and pushing the projectile out. So that is my explanation of the three types of primers. I hope that I explained that well enough for you. And